Hi, working at my desk. I just realized I forgot to give you the answer here. I don't know if you can see this. Excuse me, it's my BlackBerry. It's hungry. I wasn't I wasn't sure if you'd seen this O. The O is where my lovely necklace came from. The O stands for Overstock.com. I get all my mattress pads from Overstock.com, and sometimes I get some Pepto-Bismol for my BlackBerry when it's feeling particularly bouncy in the stomach. Oh, excuse me, I have to take this call. Hello? Hi, yeah, the turbo snake, we have it. Yeah, just a second, let me get my pencil.